Hey everyone, welcome back to E-commerce Platform Wars 2025. Today we're tackling one of the biggest questions in e-commerce. How do you choose the best e-commerce platform for your business? With so many options, Magento, Shopify, WooCommerce, headless commerce, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. In this video, we'll break down what really matters in an e-commerce software comparison, so by the end you'll know exactly how to choose the right e-commerce solution for your store. Your e-commerce platform is the foundation of your entire business. It affects your site's speed, design, scalability, and even marketing capabilities. Picking the wrong one can limit your growth or cost you more in the long run. That's why we're going beyond popularity. We'll look at what makes each option the best e-commerce platform for your specific goals. Step 1 in this e-commerce software comparison: define your needs. Ask yourself, what's my budget? How much technical control do I want? Do I need speed and simplicity, or power and customization? If you're just starting out or don't have a developer team, a hosted solution like Shopify or WooCommerce might be the best e-commerce platform for you. But if you're planning long-term growth and want full control, an open-source option like Magento or WooCommerce might be the smarter e-commerce solution. Now let's look at the main factors in any e-commerce software comparison. Ease of use. Hosted platforms like Shopify are plug and play. You can launch in a day. Customization and flexibility. Magento and WooCommerce give developers full control. Perfect if you need custom workflows or integrations. Performance and scalability. As your store grows, platforms like Magento scale easily, while lighter options may need upgrades. Cost. Don't just compare subscription prices. Think about extensions, hosting, and maintenance. Support and community. Choose an e-commerce solution with strong documentation, active forums, or official support. Each factor helps you decide the best e-commerce platform for your goals, not just the trendiest one. Here's how to choose an e-commerce solution based on your business type. Small business or solo entrepreneur, go for Shopify, Wix, or WooCommerce. Simple setup, fast launch, low cost. Growing mid-sized business, WooCommerce or Magento open source give you more control and integrations. Enterprise-level brands, Magento Commerce or a headless e-commerce setup offers full flexibility and performance. Remember, the best e-commerce platform depends on where you are today and where you want your store to be in a year or two. Before you decide, test a few platforms, try free trials or demos, explore their dashboards. Check how easy it is to add products, customize design, or process payments. A smart e-commerce software comparison isn't just about features, it's about fit. Choose the e-commerce solution that supports your business model, your team's skills, and your future growth. For more e-commerce platform comparisons, check out the full e-commerce Platform Wars 2025 playlist. We've already compared Magento versus Shopify and Magento versus WooCommerce in detail. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. What do you think is the best e-commerce platform for 2025?